Oh, about that. Sorry about that. My last video had cut out for some weird reason. So today we're gonna be talking about, like I said in my last video, algebra, geometry, and percentages. And so I was about to say was universal algebra will be used a lot in this multi-ethnic space, and I'll explain why further in the videos. So universal algebra is used to explain other mathematical forms using algebraic expressions in coordinate, geometry, calculus, and trigonometry. And then you have logarithmic algebra, a convenient way to simplify large algebraic expressions. Okay. Um so let me see something real quick. How is algebra used in real life? Algebra is used in many real life situations, including budgeting, cooking, construction, and engineering. It can also help analyze situations, find solutions, and make choices. And that's exactly what we want on this channel. Let me look. So the basic rules of algebra are the commutative rule of addition, the commutative rule of multiplication, and the associative rule of addition, the associative rule of multiplication, and the distributive property of multiplication. So, algebra is the branch of mathematics that represents problems in the form of mathematical expressions. It involves variables like x, y, z. So we're going to be talking about a lot of x, y, z on our channel, on this channel, in this space particularly. So that's how that's going to be played into what we're going to be talking about. And another thing that I want to is geometry, the meaning of geometry. So, the branch of mathematics concerned with properties and relations of points, lines, surfaces, solids, and higher dimensional analogs. Okay? So, a particular system of geometry. So, geometry is the branch of mathematics that studies the shapes, lines, angles, and surfaces. It's used to build and draw shapes, measure them, and compare them. So the word geometry comes from the Greek words geo meaning earth and metron meaning to measure. So measure the earth basically. So the earliest recorded geometry dates back to the ancient Mesopotamia and Egypt in the second millennium BC, before Christ. So we're not going to we're gonna do measurements, okay? And the multiracial space, we're gonna do things like measuring. We're gonna do things like studying the shape, studying different angles of things within the biracial space, and the surface, like the levels of the surface or surface levels, seeing the surface, the different things, like determining what is surface level and what is not. Um, So yeah, that's just the idea of what we're going to be doing in this space. And let me tell you about percentages. So percentages, a rate, number, or amount in each hundred. Okay, any portion or share in a relation to a whole. An amount such as an allowance or commission that is a proportion of a larger sum of money. Okay? So, in mathematics, a percentage is a number or ratio that can be expressed as a fraction of 100. If we have to calculate percents of a number, we divide the number by the whole and multiply by 100. Hence, the percentage means a parts per hundred. The word percent means per hundred. So a rate or proportion per hundred. So the basic application of percentages is to compare one quantity against another. With the second quantity rebased to 100. Let's say we are interested in a number of employees of females as percentage of all employed. This is a fraction of 1/2. It means in general, for every 2 employed persons, one is a female. Okay? And we're going to be talking about percentages in real life. Okay? We're going to be talking about a lot of that on this channel. Like, what is the likelihood and what is the percentage of people that hate versus the ones that don't hate? What is the percentages of actual mulattoes or mixed race people that are on this channel versus the ones who are not mixed and racially ambiguous? We're gonna be talking about a lot of that when it comes to percentages. Okay, so yeah, stay in tune for that. So that's about enough for this video, guys. I suppose I could do another few topics. I don't know. I'll do topics like that in the next video, but this is the very last vocab for this is going to be the last vocab, okay? I mean it, the very last vocab. I said in my last video that was the last vocab, but this is the really last vocab, okay? So, anyways, I'm done for today, but if you have any questions or concerns, put them in the comments below, and yeah, have a great day, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And yeah, if you haven't watched my other videos, go check them out and have a great day.